In this video, Sky Highway for dense air traffic will be introduced. Within the total spectrum of unmanned aircraft system operations, urban air mobility is also on the way. Dense air traffic is getting ever closer to us. Some air traffic studies focus on traffic network design and route design, following the idea of the traditional air traffic planning. Some air traffic studies stem from swarm control, often focus on the free flight in open airspace. We propose Sky Highway to achieve a trade-off between risk reduced and larger volumes. Sky Highway can be decomposed into the airway model and intersection model. Also, the separation distance between two UAVs is also taken into consideration. Geometry design aims at separating UAVs into different carriageways. This puts on constraints on the intersection radius and the intersection angle of two airways. In the airway and azimuth connection, the highway flight mode is adopted, while, in the hub, rotary island model is adopted. The highway mode and rotary island mode are designed refer to the rules of car on the highway and roundabout, respectively. In order to perform overtaking, the fast one can often frequently change its direction a little bit to avoid the slow one rather than only reduce its speed. In the rotary island mode, all UAVs entering the intersection will perform a clockwise rotation in order until they fly at the entrance to the next airway. The UAV traffic flow can be increased great. The simulation has three parts as shown in the picture. The map, UAVs and routes as shown in the picture. We track UAVs labeled blue color from three perspectives. UAVs in blue and green all enter node 16 and leave through different carriageways in order. UAVs in blue do not affect others in yellow on the other carriageway in the same airway because of the isolation strip. Finally, all UAVs complete their routes, and they always keep a safe distance from others. The flight experiment has three parts as shown in the picture. The map, UAVs and routes as shown in the flash. We track UAV 2 and 3 by the yellow circle from three perspectives. After takeoff, they enter carriageway connecting node 6 to node 4. Then, they all perform a clockwise rotation at node 4. UAVs in blue do not affect the UAVs in yellow on the other carriageway in the same airway because of the isolation strip. Finally, all UAVs complete their routes, and they always keep a safe distance from others.